Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new project from the novel template so structure is ready. Once done, add your research to the research pane by dragging PDFs and images in. That keeps reference material separate. Now create a handful of initial scenes inside draft. Use new text for chapters and name them plainly. Make sure to enable snapshots early so you can revert. These immediate steps let you write without losing research context and give you a skeleton to expand. Once your skeleton exists, switch between binder, corkboard, and outliner to refine structure. The corkboard is fast for moving beats and scenes. Make liberal use of split to break long text into manageable scenes and apply labels and status to track point of view and draft stage. Use compose mode for distraction-free writing and set session targets so progress is measurable. Also, check the inspector for synopses and notes. They explain why each scene matters and help keep narrative momentum. When you reach a draft, run compile and choose the appropriate format, front matter, and separators. Preview in the compile dialog so you see headings and scene breaks. Export to EPUB, PDF, or Word and verify scene order, spacing, and character names. If output looks wrong, first check binder order and metadata like labels or section types, then reopen compile settings to correct mappings. A key tip: use a small test compile after major changes to catch errors early rather than at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.